strip charge, a force unseen makes things repel or pull between. Two kinds exist, just one and two, positive and negative too. The proton's charge is bright and strong, the electron's light, but just as wrong. The neutron stays so calm, so free, with no charge for you or me. Coulomb's law will show the way. Charge times charge without delay, divided by the distance squared. A constant joins, it's always there. The proton's mass so small yet they're 1.67 if you care, times 10 up high to minus 27. Light is dust, but still a given. Its charge is 1.6 as well, times 10 to minus 19 swell. Coulomb's law will show the way. Charge times charge without delay, divided by the distance squared. A constant joins, it's always there. The neutron's weight is much the same, but has no charge to play the game. Electrons spin so fast, so light, 2,000 times less in their might. The neutron's weight is much